Hello students, today we'll see our second lesson, consumption analysis. In this lesson we'll be learning about the consumer behavior when price changes. Let's go with the introduction. Consumption is an essential economic activity. The quantity and the quality of consumption determines the standard of living of the people. Consumption is the act of satisfying one's want. So consumption is defined as the use of goods and services from satisfying wants. In economics, consumption is studied both in micro level and macro level. So consumption is also an end to production. Producers produce goods to satisfy the wants of the people. Human wants. In ordinary language, desire and wants means the same thing. But in economics, they have different meanings. Wants are the basis for human behavior to buy and consume goods. Characteristics of human wants. Wants are unlimited. Wants becomes habit. Wants are satiable. Wants are alternative. Wants are competitive. Wants are complementary. And wants are recurring. Wants becomes habits. For example, when a man starts reading newspaper in the morning, it becomes a habit. Same in the case with drinking tea or coffee or jogging every day, it becomes a habit. Wants are satiable. Though we cannot satisfy all our wants, at the same time we can satisfy particular wants at a given time. When one feels hungry, he takes food and that the wants get satisfied. So it can be satisfied sooner or later if one tries for it and he has the resources to satisfy it. Wants are alternative. A particular want may be satisfied in an alternative way. For example, a man can satisfy his hunger by taking idli, dosha or chapati. When there are alternative ways for satisfying a want, we choose one of the way depending upon our income, price of the alternative ways and our personal taste. Wants are competitive. All our wants are not equally important, so there is competition among us. Hence, we have to choose most urgent want than the less urgent want. A human wants are unlimited. All of them cannot be satisfied at a time because of limited resources. All these wants compete among each other to get satisfied first. A person wants a television and a wristwatch, books and garments or anything else at the same time. He cannot purchase all due to the limited resources at his income. In this case, he is to choose between different commodities. So wants becomes competitive. Sometimes satisfaction of a particular wants require the use of more than one commodity. For example, ink and pen, camera and film reels, lamp and oil, motor car and petrol are complementary to each other. When there is a want for tea, there is a want for sugar, milk and tea leaves. Any one article of these groups cannot satisfy the whole wants of the respective groups and becomes useless. These wants for them is felt in a group. So wants becomes complementary. Wants are recurring. Some wants can be satisfied for a time being. After some time, these wants may revive. There is a recurrence of wants of basic necessities like food and clothing. They may arise in case of comfort and luxuries. For example, the want for food cannot be satisfied once for all. After some times, one can again feel hungry and wants food. So, satisfaction of particular want at any point does not mean the end of it. That want may again be felt after some time or a day. Some wants are thus. We can classify wants into three broad categories in economics. These are necessaries, comforts, and luxuries. Let us take a look at all three. Necessary goods. These are the human wants absolutely essential for living and surviving. The first and the most important wants are obviously necessary for life. These includes like food, water, clothing and shelter. And then there are necessities to improve our efficiency and well-being of a comfortable housing, nourishing foods, etc. Finally, there is a conventional necessities that arises out of habits, customs and conventions. Second type of good is called as comfort goods. Comfort goods are they are the extra want of human after necessaries. They are not essential or urgent as necessary. Comforts are the wants that make the life of a human comfortable and satisfying. Generally, these includes items that saves labor on behalf of the human or provide comfort to him in his life. So these items such as fan, furnished house, special clothing for occasions, etc. fall under the category of human wants. Third one is luxuries. These are the goods that the human pleasures and prestige in the society. So they are not needed for existence or comforts but provide happiness and acceptance in the world. These wants may be called superfluous and such items tend to be expensive. Some examples of luxuries are cars, diamond jewelers, expensive designer clothing, ACs, etc. As you know, these items are not essential for living, they are items of prestige.